Rikman G Moment State President Bathamai Jong BJP Meghalaya Unit Ulapan Pau ka Jing Khmih lynti ba State President Barim Jong Party Bah Ernest Maori ba ai ka Jing ïatreilang ban kenti ka party ha ka jala Meghalaya. Ya ka ni Rikman Ulapan Pau ha bakran ka Jing ïatreilang shimti Jong ya ka kam State President Jong party na Bah Ernest Maori ha ka laitari Urisau arja apply ha office try kam ha Shillong ha ka balay don lang ru dagi MLA ka BJP bakantup yaw ba AL hek ba uba san bor sulai kinongkit kam ka party na keleng ka jala lab ki way pat.
Just after the announcement on the 25th of September, we have a small program here because 25th of September it is a Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya birth anniversary. Some people they came here, they just see and run away. I think they will admire why already the notification has been out. He is no more president. He is conducting the program. You know, so it's not a surprise. When I take over as a president from Masibon, for 15 days I didn't take a charge. I request Masibon kindly complete all your work. I'll not take your shambar, your chair. Let me will fix a convenient time where you are free. Then I'll take over the office. So we have the understanding. So some press people also they ask me, they try to prescribe that controversial president also. Then they ask me a question, then I told them, this is the system in the party. I have completed my tenure as the president. Now new president has come. So we from the party, as a BJP, like our Pravri Tulat Karyakarta, we always respect the decision of our leader. Then I told her, yes, my time is already over. I became the state president on the 15th of January 2020. So I have completed my tenure and I have experience running one election, MDC election in Kyrwoh, where suddenly our leader decided to contest the local election. And I think we are enjoying our state leaders also, they went and campaigned in Kyrwoh. Out of 29 seats, we contest 18 seats and we get through, we win 2 seats. And narrowly we are losing 3 seats. So that is the first trial with acid test. No?
So now I have to improve that. To improve that, I need your support. So dear friends and brothers and sisters, I'll request you that today I have joined it, so think like we are going to work for another election. So in Khasi Hills, we have Jadia Hills also, we have MDC election, so we have to gear up right from today. So and plus, upcoming election for Lok Sabha is there, so for that also we have to work. Till now there is no notification at all from our central office because I am joining today only, so that will be later on which we will know it. My dear friends and my brothers and sisters, I have seen how difficult it is to lead the party. I have seen Bah Maori, how he have a lots of problem. So I got an experience from him and he is guiding me also and he will guide me also. Now, instead of as our Bah Ernest told us that not to criticize or not to say anything against each other in the party. So my door will be always open and my heart also always open to all of you to come and share with me to bring up our party of Meghalaya. So therefore, I request you once more, please help me lead the party with full-heartedly. So once again, I thank you all for this wonderful moment. Thank you all.